Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to replace a kitchen faucet hose. By Stylish. Start by removing the spout head from your faucet by unscrewing it. With the spout head off, disconnect the hose from the water supply. Remove the weight attached to the hose using a screwdriver. Once fully disconnected, pull out the old hose from the faucet. Insert the new hose through the faucet and screw the spout head back onto the new hose. Connect the new hose to the water supply and reattach the weight. Make sure to place the weight close to the U-shaped bend in the hose and on the side opposite the water supply connection. And that's it. You have successfully replaced your kitchen sink hose in a quick and effective way.